Ryan here with Dark Rangers Inc. and I am super excited to kick off the first annual Dark Rangers Inc. Astrophotography contest. Now, as we go into the winter months, I know everybody's scrambling to get some of that last data before it gets too cold, and I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to showcase the work that you've been doing all year. Now, this is also my way to say thank you to you guys. We just crossed over 1,500 subscribers, and so not only do we have some great prizes, but I'm also going to donate some of my time as well. The reason that we have prizes to donate, though, is because you guys have really started to actually take that extra step and use the links that I put in the description and the comment section to support the folks that support this channel, and so they've stepped up in a big way as well. Telescope Live is going to give 3 months of a gold membership plus 150 credits worth over $250 total, and I've also reached out to RC-Astro to get some licenses together. That's the creator of NoiseXterminator, StarXterminator, and all those awesome tools that are really the best astrophotography plugins in the game right now. In addition to those 2 prizes, and in an effort to get all of you guys to submit your entries, I'm going to do what's called an honorable effort award. So this is going to be based more on the effort you put into the photo, maybe not the final result. And I'm going to donate a 2-hour one-on-one processing tutorial to somebody who maybe either went to a dark sky spot or in their Bortle 9 backyard, got a ton of integration time and really put the effort in, but because of maybe a gap in processing, didn't get an image that's the quality of a top 2 position. So no matter what your final result looks like, if you put the hard work in, there's a possibility that you'll walk away with something cool. If you are on the fence, I would highly recommend going for it. I entered my first astrophotography contest and I didn't think I would go anywhere, and I ended up making it into the final 4. It was an elimination NCAA style bracket and I won several rounds in a row and did a lot better than I thought. So you're never going to know where you stack up unless you get your stuff out there. Everything's going to be private, so if you don't make it, it's no big deal. No one has to know about it. And I'm also going to feature some of the honorable mentions in our monthly newsletter. Some of you guys are not getting that. If you are interested, go ahead and shoot me an email. When you send me your submission, it will automatically add your email to the email list, so you'll get that monthly letter as well. So guys, thank you. And another decision that I've made now that we've been over 1,000 subscribers for a while is I'm not going to turn ads on. So for those of you guys that don't have YouTube Premium, to keep the ad count as low as possible and give you guys the best viewing experience, we're not going to do that. So joining Patreon, using the links, and we now have the ability to do super chats. So thank you to Astro Attorney for kicking it off and giving me the first one the other day. Stuff like that really helps me put money back into the channel. For those of you that have been with me the whole time, you know that we didn't have sound panels or a microphone or good lighting. The sound frankly kind of sucked, and we've come a long way, and it's because of the effort and support that you guys have given back to the channel, which makes it all possible. So guys, you have until the end of the month to submit your images. Don't wait, get them in sooner than later, and you could either send me a JPEG that's under the 25 megabyte limit, or just send me a link with a TIFF or whatever high quality format that you want to use to get the best result. I'm going to feature the top 10 images on the video where we announce the winner, top 2 prizes, and then obviously the honorable mention one-on-one coaching. So guys, I wish you the best of luck. I really can't wait to see what you guys have. You guys have blown me away with some of your images, and I'm really excited to ring in the end of the new year with you guys with this awesome and hopefully the first of many annual astrophotography contests. I mean it now more than ever. Clear skies.